sitting outside on the porch. Just wanted to show you the stalking planes that come through. I was sitting on the porch and he had to come. He came from over there just to come over here and made a circle U-turn. Yeah, that's what he did. This shit is non-stop. I want y'all to go, and I'm posting this. I'm about to post this right now. I don't have a live, so, you know, so I'll try to post it right. Go and look at my, I got a public. I made one of my lists public. It's called TI Discussion. It's just some stuff that I think TIs need to know if you don't know already. Oh, I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna post a few more, but just wanted to, it's just really irritating. We are under attack, family. Oh, Lord. Jesus is our only hope, y'all. Barking dogs in the background. I can't sit on the porch at all. I can't get a moment, a piece of quiet. It's always something going on every second, every minute, 24/7. It's non-stop, people.